Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Travis, back at you with another video. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to do the archer pull-up. Let's get to it. Now, learning how to do an archer pull-up is very simple and easy to progress in. But before you begin, I highly recommend that you do at least 15 wide grip pull-ups without stopping, and a wide grip isometric hold on the bar for 1 minute. Once you have completed the progressions, you are now ready to move on. First, you want to approach the bar with a modified wide grip. You don't want to fully wrap your thumbs around the bar and keep your hands in a balled fist. When you climb up onto the bar, turn your head to the left and then slowly use one arm to pull your body into the same direction you are looking at. You are completely engaging your shoulders, your back, your lats, and your core. After you have done this for 10 to 20 consistent reps, turn your head to the right and repeat the same thing. You want to get familiar doing this on both sides so you can build enough muscle memory and endurance. You want to be able to do at least 10 consistent reps on each side while keeping your core tight, your body arched, your arm reaching out to the opposite side, and have that arm push yourself all the way up. It's a pulling and pushing motion at the same time. Mastering this exercise requires good form, proper technique, and plenty of repetition. I highly recommend you do this workout at least 3 to 5 days a week to help you progress as fast as you can. As long as you train hard and understand the basic fundamentals that I've gone through this video, you should be able to progress fast. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys. Have a good one.